Got a 2017 Honda Accord, customer complaint. He took it to a shop. They did the front brakes. He noticed after driving it for a few days, the front brakes began squeaking. Took it back to the shop, had them take a look at it. They made some adjustments, but customer is still experiencing the squeaking from the brakes. So we're gonna take a look and see what's going on with them. All right, so did this disassembly, taking a look at the caliper, noticing a lack of lubrication, hence will be one of the root causes of the excessive squeaking. Looking down at the brake pads themselves, the hardware, as you can see, not very well lubricated. The pads don't have any lubrication. And there's a reason why you'll hear the squeaking sound, because of lack of lubrication. This is how it'll sound. And all that high chirping is due to lack of lubrication. But we're going to take care of that for this customer. And as we disassemble the left front, I've noticed that it's missing the spreader springs on the bottom. That's a big no-no. Unfortunately, this shop, I'm not sure what they were thinking. But as we look at the caliper as well, definitely no lubrication. And that's going to also assist in the noise. The hardware itself, as you can see, not properly lubricated, is the source of all that squeaking and high chirping noise when the customer's driving or gently depresses the brakes. As we can see here, the hardware is completely bone dry. There's actually no lubrication whatsoever. This is how it sounds. So I already started cleaning it, so I'm just going to finish this up. And we'll do the same with the top. Now we're going to add some high quality ceramic lubricant to help prevent that squeaking sound. Lubricate the whole hardware and the system itself. All right, so brakes have been removed. Everything has been lubricated. As we can see, all the hardware is properly lubricated. Every section that requires it, including within the caliper itself. We're going to take the vehicle on a test drive, and hopefully this resolves the customer's complaint. Well, I know it's going to resolve it.